Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to remove an email ID from your Outlook group or distribution list. So I'll show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Outlook. So let me show from starting. So I'm here on my Outlook homepage. So first you have to go in contacts or member. Just click on it. This is my phone book. So find out your group here. So you can see I have two groups. Okay, so just I need to click on it, and I need to click on edit contacts. Then you will see the all members here. This is your group names, and this is the members. So first I'll show you how you can add the members. Go to the add members. You can add from Outlook contacts, you can add from your address book, and you can manually add. Okay, just go to the Outlook contacts, just find out the member and just select the member and add. Double click on it, or you can just select the member and click on members, so it will be add here. You can also add multiple. Just select the you enter your shift button on your keyboard and hold it and select from your mouse and just click on member, then two member will be add. You can also add manually. Just enter the semicolon and write the email ID. Okay, just hit the OK. So you can see this two email ID already I have already in my contacts, and this not, so only one email ID has been added here. So now I'll show you how you can remove it. Just select the email ID and click on remove the members. Okay, if you want to remove multiples, just hit the shift key and hold it and select the all emails from your mouse and click on remove members, then all members will be removed. After you done everything, just click save and close, then your members will be removed or add from your group. You can see the all members from here when you're done. Okay, just select the group and select the members. You can see the all members. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.